After you're making your investment,
Right.
how involved are you with the business and the management?
Well, it's all different. You know, I've made a whole bunch of private investment. I serve as the chairman of 2 of them. I'm on the board of several, including Capital IQ. You know what? When we built Capital IQ, we intentionally copied the Bloomberg business model. And I'm really building another model that really copied the same one for the engineers, basically. Any high professionals that need that kind of things. So, you know, all the insight you learn can be applied for different businesses. In that case, I'm very active. Of the board, a lot of the time I'm the largest shareholder. And a lot of other ones, you know, this Hyundai department store, I couldn't even get a call. I couldn't even get a receptionist to really take my call. I went to there and visited everything. I sold all the properties, but couldn't get anybody to talk to me. But by and large, I like to know as much as I can possibly know. I want to be with the friends. You know, there's a Timberland situation. We become such a great friend, the CEO, the son actually become my investor. So that's the kind of relation I want to have. But you always try. You always try. Because just that everyday business decisions, you can learn, you can observe, you would know the dynamic of that particular industry at that particular moment. And nothing is constant. That's the interesting thing about business. Nothing is constant. And that's why you have to keep relearning things. The things you concluded, you know, the analysis we just went through with Bloomberg, maybe a couple of years is different. I don't know what will cause the difference, but it could be. And I have also there observed, you take an example of Microsoft. The dynamic is different. It's no longer the same. Now you got a free software. It poses a completely different scenario. Every business is constant. All sorts of different things could cause that change. And that's a good thing. That's a good thing. That's why people who is active mind and really actively prepared and have the psychological temperament to be able to act when he really sees insight and an opportunity would always, always have a chance to be fabulously rich.
That's a good note to end on.
And that's the note here.